What is going on, you guys? Thank you guys for joining me for another video. It's your boy Tony reporting live. I'm having an amazing morning. It's a little bit gloomy out here in California today, and it's a little bit windy, but we're gonna make the most out of it. Today we're actually be working on the bug. One of the things we're gonna fix today is actually gonna be the door handle. As you guys can see, the door handle's here, but there's literally no lever to push this on like a normal one. So this one's broken from right there. So every single time I want to open it, I gotta do this, open it from the inside, and then it opens. Can't be doing that all the time. So to take out the door handle, it's pretty easy. It's literally just one bolt right in there, the top one. That's literally it. So this is the older one. I already took off the key lock to make sure that both sides are the same key, not a different key. This one was already broken. As you guys can see, it's literally broken. There's literally no button right there, and it's supposed to have the button right there, and that one does obviously have the. I'm gonna grease this up because apparently the previous owner did not grease anything up. So I'm gonna grease this up, put it back together, and then slap it back on the car. I got it all assembled. It's pretty much put back together. Now what we gotta do is just install it back on the car. You just slide it into the front and push it in. Take off the bolt, obviously, slide it in, and just like that, doors put back together. Super happy with that. The next thing we got upgraded is something that my dad got me from Pick and Pull, and it's one of probably the ugliest thing that's on the bug right now. This running board has seen better days. It's very, very old, very, very rusted. There's a huge hole right here. So my dad actually got me a new one. It's not the same kind. This is a aluminum one, and it's all metal, but compared to the other side, you're not really gonna see the difference. This one's all metal. This one's actually better quality than the ones actually on the car, but he only found one side, and this other side is the normal kind, but I'm sure you guys won't even be able to tell. This one's at least complete, nice and good. The other one's complete trash. Shouldn't be too hard to take these off. Should just be a bolt here, 3 bolts underneath, and then bolt in the back. You guys can see the difference in like material. Obviously that one's metal, this one's like rust, I guess. Look how messed up this was, man. This thing was already garbage. I'm surprised it was still hanging on. We're just gonna slap the new one on and see what it looks like on the car. Sheesh, definitely looks a lot better. Definitely looks a lot better. This side is actually presentable now instead of all being all crapped up. Looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. This one's a lot more sturdy than the other one. I could probably actually stand on this, but I'm not going to. This is the other side. This is the other side, looking not that bad. Pretty good, pretty crisp. Starting to look a lot better now. I'm surprised how much of a difference that made, because honestly it was hideous before. Honestly, like this side it was gross. Now it's starting to come together kinda. Not the same kind of running board, but it's cool. This one's a little at least better. They're basically like my dad's. My dad's are all aluminum, but someone painted these so they look like that, but it's fine. So basically for the bug, we're gonna start our short shifter on the bug. I got this for like $6 just to get free shipping. Quick shift kit. This is the part number. So I'm gonna bust this open and then we're gonna start cracking. This is everything that came in the box, so it seems pretty self-explanatory from here. Just an adapter, the bracket, and 2 extended bolts. Came with instructions, but we're not gonna read those. So let's go take off the old one off. Alright, before I take this one off, I just want to show you guys how long the throw is on this car. So this is all the way to the side, and then it's all the way out here. Take all this apart, go ahead and clean everything. To assemble this, it's pretty easy. It literally goes back on the same. This goes right here. This goes right here on top. This thing is really easy to assemble. You literally just put this on. You want to put some lube on there. You want to put your thing back on. See, that's good. Now you can put your boot back on. And then this is just going to go onto the car like this. Short shifter is in, and it's definitely gonna need me getting time to get used to it because it definitely feels a lot different than before. Alright, on this one, the throw is a lot shorter. That's the throw. First is right there, second is right here, third is right there, and then fourth. This is a lot closer. They're a lot closer together. Like, it's shortened it like this, if that makes sense, because they're literally right next to each other. You get me? The throw does feel shorter as well, but what really stands out the most is that they're literally right next to each other. I really hope I don't throw it in the first, accidentally trying to go in the third, but we're good though. I do want to throw my interior carpet back in, but I need to wash it because from when all the brake fluid fell on it. I need to wash it, so I'm gonna go wash it right now in a bit. All the parts are in now, so the only thing left to do now is go for a nice cruise. I'm so excited to finally be driving this car. Let's get it. The shifter honestly feels amazing. Like, the shifts feel nice. It doesn't feel all notchy. So, feels pretty good. I needed to get used to where like first and second are, but other than that, feels great, drives great, have no issues. Love the throw of the shifter, to be honest. I'm glad this car got some love because it definitely needed it. Definitely.
3 hours later.
Pulled up to this cool little spot that I used to come a lot to make videos. This might look a little bit familiar to some of you guys, those of you who's been watching for a while. Been super happy with the car. Took it on a nice cruise. It needs a wash, but it's cool. Got all new stuff now. Got new brakes, got new shifter, got a new running board. This car feels brand new, man, and looks pretty great. I'm not gonna lie, looking pretty good. The next biggest things I want to do is take care of some leaks in the motor, and then after that maintenance, we're gonna be able to do some fun stuff, hint down there, and then maybe, you know, but that's gonna come pretty soon for you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy the bug content, be sure to leave a thumbs up. It's not the most loved on the channel, so go show some love. Let me see you guys' ideas. What do you guys want to see for this car? I'm really curious what you guys want to see. Y'all don't understand the work I put in, man. I'm literally charging my GoPro as I'm using it. The GoPro guy died on me, but I wanted to ask you guys to comment what you guys want to see for this bug. I'm really curious. My setup is clean and simple, but I want to see your guys' thoughts. Maybe, you know, maybe you guys would persuade me to do something else. I'm really looking for ideas. I know what the next few mods is going to be, but I don't have a clear end picture of what it's going to look like just yet. But just drop down your ideas down below. This is where I'm going to end today's video, guys. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys for kicking it with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the progress we made on the bug. I'm really happy with the bug. I've been wanting to cruise both my cars since both of them have brand new parts on them. I've been super eager to drive. That's why I just brought the bug out for a nice little cruise out here. I usually post up here a lot, come here a lot. I used to come here a lot with the boys, but obviously now that quarantine's going on, we can't really come here with the boys. We got a ton of stuff coming for my car, the homies' cars, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you guys never miss out. I want to thank you guys again for watching today. I hope you guys have an amazing, wonderful rest of you guys' day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.